Hey Cancer, what's up? Ayan, nagbabalik na po yung ating weekly reading from June 16 to 22. If it's not resonate with you, Cancer, just ignore it. Kapag nag-resonate naman, hit me like, share, and follow. And leave a comment sa ating comment section. Ayan, kamusta naman ang Cancer? Ayan, this is a 8 card spread. If it's not resonate with you, just ignore it. Ayan, cards are okay. Okay. Emotions and worrying about family, no? Parang finances of family, ayun, parang feeling ko finances of your growth, finances of worrying of dealing with emotions. Parang nagkakaroon ka ng problema, nagkakaroon ba kayong ano tawag dun? Marriage problem or relationship problem with your partners or family with families. Parang yun yung nakikita ko dun. Parang the obstacle here is ikaw lang yung naghahanap ng solution. Ikaw lang yung naghahanap ng solution. Parang nakakita ko dito ng not clear communication. Parang hindi kayo nagkakaunawaan ng partner mo or something. Kung business partner man ito, parang miscommunication kayo. Hindi right message yung na-address sa'yo ng partner mo or someone special sa'yo. This week, okay? Parang ganun siya. Okay. Um, hindi ko alam kung ikaw yung nagsiself-sabotage doon sa senaryong ito. Parang feeling ko na ikaw yung nagmamanipulate or nagmamaniobra ng senaryo na 'to. So, nagpa-fireback sa'yo siya. Parang gano'n. Parang feeling ko may maganda kang plano pero ano, in a wrong decision, parang gano'n, 'no? The plan is there, but the decision is ang tawag do'n, salungat sa plano, parang gano'n, 'no? Okay. Your actions is your helping with someone, no? Parang yung motion mo na gawin to is ampaw. Parang ganun. Parang hindi napag-isipan na pagplanuhan padalos-dalos. Parang ganyan, no? So, nangyayari na. Nangyayari na yung kinatatakutan mo. Kasi sa wrong decision. So, sa wrong decisions that cost you hindi mo na na-compose yung sarili mo. Parang hindi mo na naitama yung parang gusto mong gumawa ng tama pero hindi siya nagtuloy-tuloy because of wrong mismanagement, wrong decision, or something na pagsisisihan mo. So, before you make a decision, make sure na talagang pinag-isipan mo itong week na to. Pinag-isipan mo, pinagplanuhan mo, alam mo yon yung talagang hindi siya basta-basta lang, no? Bago mo ibuka yung bibig mo, pag-isipan mo ng mga 10 beses this week. Okay? Ayan, Cancer, if it's not resonate with you, just ignore it kapag nag-resonate naman. Type yes to claim your abundance.